What's up, guys? My name's Kevin Wolf. I'm out here at Lake Powell, Utah on a jet ski, having a blast. It's a perfect day. What I'm here to tell you about is a cool opportunity at Blueboard where if you send in your clips of your Blueboard experience, we will edit that into an awesome video. So today I'm sharing the top tips on how to film the best action-packed videos with your phone. Tip number one, clean your lens. It might sound simple, but a clean lens is crucial for crystal clear shots. Tip number two, ensure your microphone is clear. Your hand should never cover the mic while filming. Tip number three, hold your phone out wide. If your phone has a wide angle lens, use it. It adds a captivating perspective to your videos. So the video that you want to film has three parts. Part number one, it's the before the experience. This is your chance to share your excitement and explain what you're about to do, why and how you earned this adventure. Part number two, this is all about during the experience. Capture a quick selfie or two while having a blast.
This is definitely the most insane thing I've ever done.
Show that you're living in the moment and soaking up every second of the action. Part number three, this is the after experience. This is your chance to express your gratitude to your company, share how elated you feel and how ready you are to get back to work, recharged and motivated. All you gotta do is send us the Google Photos link of all your videos and then we'll do the edit for you. Now go out there and capture unforgettable moments. Happy Blueboarding.